attended Federal Bank interview, no?
Yes, sir. I have attended.
Correct. That means you know what questions I will ask. I think you must be very thorough because you must have heard the videos and all many times. And so you must be ready to answer. Now let's go on straight away. Krishna ji, आपको introduce कर लीजिए. Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
I'm Krishnendu. I am from Kottayam district in Kerala. I completed my graduation in mathematics from DCM College Kottayam with overall CGPA of 9.2 and post-graduation in statistics from St. Thomas College Palai with an aggregate CGPA of 3.46 out of 4. And I did 2 certificate courses in programming languages like SAS and SPSS. During my school college days, I was an active member of National Service Scheme and College Union as well. Coming to my hobbies, I'm very much interested in listening to concerts and studying and memorizing slokas. I love to sing, to draw, and to drive. Speaking about my family, mine is a family of 6 members. My father retired from Land Revenue Department and my mother retired from Economics and Statistics Department. I have 2 siblings and a grandmother. That's all, sir.
Very good. You actually live in Kottayam or which place?
I'm living in Kottayam.
Oh, somehow I guessed and it proved to be correct. Excellent. I just guessed only because I don't remember the places. Good. Very good. Now, what is the final post-graduation? You said which year did you complete? What is the post-graduation?
I have completed a post-graduation in 2020 in statistics.
Oh, Baba. So I think you would have faced some questions relating to statistics in that interview. And maybe on account of that, you scored less marks or so. Why were you not selected in your view?
Actually, I have attended your GD class only. During my GD, I have lost my internet connections in Federal Bank interview with GD. So I can't attend well in group discussion.
So you could not participate well in GD, but
because
that
of
is why
my internet connection loss.
But you are speaking very well. If only your internet had been good, you would have got through that. Doesn't matter. Good. You studied statistics.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, which bank do you have an account, please?
I have account in South Indian Bank.
Excellent. Where is the headquarters of South Indian Bank?
Its headquarters is in Thrissur.
Thrissur. Very good. Very good. Now, say, your interview with Karnataka Bank is going to be on which date?
September 8th.
Good. Morning or evening?
After 1:30 p.m.
Not bad. 1:30 is okay. No problem. Good. Now, can you please tell me what will be your job role as a bank clerk?
Okay, sir. My job role clerk means finance, cash transactions, printing of passbook, then accepting deposits, then accepting deposits, clearing of passbooks, introducing various products to customers, like that.
But why? Preeti, please switch off your mic. Acha, what happened? Suddenly you got fear and you were not able to.
I became tensed. That's all.
See, for this question, you could have told you started well with cash. That is, when we are, the job role of a clerk while working in cash department to receive cash.
Sir, can I tell once more?
Yeah, please try.
Okay. Job role of a clerk works on cash transactions, accepting deposits and clearing of payments, and also clearing of check, then duty of public complaint grievances, customer orientation, passbook printing, sell bank products to customers and fulfill of KYC norms, like that.
Like that, don't tell. You stop with KYC only, that will do.
Okay,
you can also add help the branch in deposit mobilization and also recovery of NPA and these format, and also you have to lay stress on cross selling of the bank products, because nowadays bank wants only people who are interested in selling. I hope you understand my point.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, what is the strategy you will adopt to get every week? I want you to bring 5 SB accounts to my branch. Supposing you are posted, you will be posted in Kerala only, don't worry. How will you bring 5 new accounts to our branch every week? Please tell me.
First of all, I will collect contact of people and classify them into different categories like high net worth customers, medium net worth customers, etc. And I will contact them via phone calls or in-person meetings and tell them about various products that we are offering and our services and importance of keeping money as deposits, and convince them about the financial management, about the importance of financial management. And I will tell impressive interest rate that we are offering, and I will make them to deposit within our banks itself.
Which savings bank account will you recommend for a person working in an IT company, a lady working in an IT company? Maybe she is 32-year-old and probably she is getting a salary of around 2 lakhs. Now, what is the type of account will you recommend her? Savings account. Which savings account will you recommend for her? Did you go through the Karnataka Bank website thoroughly? No.
Yes, sir.
No,
I just read it.
Karnataka Bank website, and that too about various SB accounts. Did you go through individually? No.
No, sir, I didn't see it.
Oh, so this question you may not be able to answer. The answer for this I expected was KBL Vanita.
KBL Vanita.
There is an account known as KBL Vanita for women. So you have to tell the salient features of that particular account and try to canvass the deposits from the customer. So whenever we go for canvassing, we are supposed to highlight. I think yesterday were you there at evening around 10 o'clock or so, when that boy from West Bengal came and he talked to us? You look at the video of yesterday class. In the last 10 minutes, a boy who has been selected in Federal Bank as probationary officer, his name is some Arsha or something, I don't remember. And that boy has studied MSc MTech agricultural engineering. And how nicely was he telling about the simple interview experience he had, where he was asked to sell some door. Because all of us, we started preparing for selling pen, then glass, then cell phone and all that. So they started giving different products. They showed some mirror behind them, asked them to sell that one. They showed some door, the door with which the candidate entered the room. So like that, different things they can ask you to sell. In which case you have to highlight the plus points of that particular product. Could you follow?
Okay, sir.
Good. Now, can you please tell me what is meant by NEFT?
NEFT is National Electronic Fund Transfer, sir.
Can you please tell a few points about that?
Okay, sir. National Electronic Fund Transfer is for transactions via digital transactions that we are using NEFT. Then it is a nationwide payment system facilitating one-to-one transfer. There is no limit for maximum or minimum amount of transfer. And for amount of rupees 2 lakh and above, we can use RTGS. And no charge for NEFT transaction as per RBI guidelines.
I want to remit, say about 10,000 rupees. to somebody who is known to me. So what are the factors I need to tell the bank for remitting it? What is the procedure I should adopt? I should go and fill up the application and then give them what particulars should I give them for their remitting money to my beneficiary's account. Krishna, are you listening me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah.
But I didn't get you.
You are not understanding me? No.
Yes, sir.
You are going to your South Indian bank, your branch.
Okay.
You are going to remit money to some XYZ in Bombay, say probably Central Bank of India. And what are the particulars you have to give to South Indian Bank so that they are able to remit the money to the person for whom you want it to go?
We have to, I think we have to give our account number.
Like IFSC codes, account number.
Correct. You have to give Krishna, you have to tell the name of the beneficiary, account number of the beneficiary, name of the bank, name of the branch of the bank, IFSC code of the bank, every detail you have to give. Could you follow?
Yes, sir.
And then I think you will be charged some commission also. It differs from branch to branch. Here, I have one thing that came to my eyes. Central Bank of India. There they say they will charge rupees 2.50 up to 10,000. Above 10,000, they will charge 5 rupees. Then above 1,15,000 rupees, something like that. It may differ from bank to bank. Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, why were you not aware of this simple thing, Krishna?
Yes, sir. But I'm aware, but I can't because of tensed, I think.
Oh. Now, can you differentiate?
So
can you differentiate NEFO? Tell me some details of RTGS. What is
RTGS? RTGS is the abbreviated form of real-time gross settlement for in the instantaneous transfer of money transactions. And minimum limit is 2 lakh and there is no maximum limit. It is a continuous process of setting payments without netting debit and credits across the books of a central bank. Used for large value transactions. RTGS is mainly used for large value transactions. Then it is earlier it was available from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. only, but now it is available on all days except the second and fourth Saturdays of every month.
You mean RTGS?
Yes, sir.
It's available all 24 hours. Is it so?
Now it is available. No, sir. It is available on 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. except every second and the fourth Saturdays.
I think some charges are there. It seems for amount about 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. ICICI is charging 20 plus applicable GST. What is the time taken for transfer of money? Under the normal circumstance, beneficiary branches are expected to receive the funds on a real-time basis. Real-time basis means what? Immediate credit. That is maximum lapse of 30 minutes. But but in respect of IMPS and all, you are all remitting 200, 300 and all to me. It is all credited instantaneously. Fatafat.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is the difference between RTGS and NEFT?
NEFT, there is a maximum limit of 2 lakhs only. 2 lakhs not, there is no, sorry, sir. There is no limit for NEFT, minimum or maximum, but the amount, but for amounts of rupees 2 lakh and higher, we are using RTGS transactions. Then NEFT operates on 48 and hourly basis. But in the case of
No.
RTGS,
Listen. NEFT operator on 48 batches. Every
48
half an hour. Every half an hour, one batch.
yes, sir. 48 half and hourly basis.
No. You have to tell it operate 48 batches in a day. That means
Okay,
every
sir.
half an hour, one batch.
Okay, sir.
So it may take more than 30 minutes for the money to reach the other end. Whereas real-time gross settlement, the money will reach immediately. Less than 30 minutes it will reach. Do you get the point?
Okay, sir.
So that is the
Yes,
main,
sir.
that's the main difference between this and that. It's okay, fine, good. Krishna, you are getting fear. That fear should not be there. Now,
Sir, can I take mock interview on tomorrow also?
have I given time to you?
Yes, sir. 6:30 a.m.
Okay, no, 6:30 a.m. Okay, no problem. No problem. So now, next point is, what should I ask you? Statistics. What is statistics?
Statistics is a branch of science which mainly deals with the collection, classification, identification, interpretation of data.
Okay. How statistics can be of use for in banking?
Sir, in every field of banking, we can use the applications of statistics like mean, mediation, standard deviation, and in case of credit risk also probability. The defaulter will give the money or not. That is the probability. So in every aspects, we are using the applications of statistics.
Good. When was India's first census taken? India's first census.
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
Was it not 1871 or so? Anybody else knows about it? Those who are online. India first census. The first census of independent India began on 9th February 1951. I think are you able to see the screen? The screen.
It is RTGS transaction is in the screen.
That is only there. It's okay, no problem. This is I will show you. No problem. Good. Census, why I'm asking now? Now there can be a question like, say, what is the population of our country now, roughly? Excuse me.
36. I don't know, sir.
36 crore. Long
36.
India population, and it increases every second. Now it is 1.38 billion as on 2020. Now it must be 1.40.
140 crores.
Yeah, it must be more than that. What is India's population now? No, Baba. By 2022, it will be 157. As of August 29, yesterday, 157 crore. I think we are surpassing our China. China must be nearing this, or it may be slightly less than this also. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Now, can you please tell me, last question for you. Please tell me, what do you understand by financial inclusion and what steps government is taking, and why August 28th is more relevant regarding financial inclusion?
Financial inclusion is providing financial awareness to all parts of the country. Government means that individuals and the business have access to useful and affordable financial products and services that meet their needs, transactions, payments, savings, credit, insurance, etc.
Why 28th August was important now in regard to this? Anybody else knows about it? Because I have already commented this in the current affairs. Anybody who is online knows about it? Nobody knows. Oh, That is the date on which Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana was started in the year 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And they have given so many number of accounts open, so many crores have come. I remember the amount only 1.73 trillion and some 48 billion accounts, something, so many things they have given. Please go through that current affairs snippets. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Very good. Thank you, Krishna.
Sir, can I take a mock on tomorrow morning also?
No problem. You come. You come. No
Okay,
problem.
sir.
No problem. Yeah. Then who is there online? Now, who would like to take another mock now? Are you? Stop sharing so that I will see the names. Yeah. Now this is going on live. So if you want, you can just at random, just another, I think how many minutes? I think before that I have to go for lunch. Another 10-15 minutes I'll be with you. I will put at random some questions and you raise your hand. I will put a question. If you are able to answer correctly, fine. If you are not able to answer correctly also, okay. Please raise your hand, all of you. This is the mock interview for all of you. Different, not for one-to-one. Come on. I will ask mostly, I can also ask you detailed questions also, otherwise particular question, that is definite answer questions. What is this? Preeti, Shilavati, Dhanalakshmi, Nayana, Pooja, Ajin, Nagendra, Manjunath, nobody has got confidence. What happened? Oh, acha, you want me to tell the question after which you will raise hand. Is that the thing? Is that the thing? Is it what you are having in mind? You want me to put the question, but that is not interview. Na? In interview, they are asking questions without you are telling, and you have to answer it readily without any hesitation. But one thing, now I will go with the person, I will ask what is the subject, degree subject, postgraduate or degree. Based on that, I can ask some questions. Sheelavati. Sheelavati. So people run away from when they ask question, they go away from the place. Now please raise your hand, those who want to answer. Sheelavati, you are raising hand. Good. Sheelavati, what is your degree?
Sir, I am the B in electronics and communications, sir.
Acha. Now you are fearing I should not ask question in electronics and communication. Correct?
No,
Or
sir, you ask.
you can ask anything. Acha. Can you please tell me names of 3 countries where 5G has already been introduced?
South Korea, China, America, US.
Very good. Good answering. Good. You did answer correctly, Shilavati. Nice. Now next
Canada.
person, Canada also. Correct. Next person, raise your hands. Dhanalakshmi wants to speak. Acha, Preeti has raised hand. Preeti, what is
Yes.
your degree?
M.Com, sir.
M.Com. Oh, Baba. M.Com. Can you please tell me what is the present CRR, SLR? Only these two tell me correctly.
Yes, sir. The present CR.
Hello.
Yes, I am recalling, sir. It's
CRR 4.50.
Preeti, what happened?
yes, sir. The current CRR is 4.5%, sir. And current SLR is it is 18%.
Good. Can you tell me what is the present standing deposit facility rate? No. Standing, Preeti, standing
Yes, sir.
deposit facility. Tell me. Last question for you.
I mean definition, sir.
No, not if you know definition, you tell me. Even I find it difficult to explain. If you don't know, you tell me. Otherwise, you tell me the rate of interest.
Sorry, sir. I'll go through that, sir.
Acha, very good. Dhanalakshmi was raising hands. Dhanalakshmi. Where is Dhanalakshmi? Yeah, Dhanalakshmi, good. Dhanalakshmi, you are from which state? Dhanya Lakshmi.
Hello. Sir,
Dhanya Lakshmi, you are from which state?
Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Andhra Pradesh. Good. What is your degree?
MSc Applied Mathematics. Sir.
Ore Baba, MSc Applied Mathematics. Oh Baba, dangerous. What are the various subjects you studied in applied mathematics?
Real analysis, pure applied math. HR, real analysis.
What happened? ఏమైంది మీకు?
Statistics.
తర్వాత ఏమమ్మా ఇదన్నీ అంత డిఫికల్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ఆ క్వశ్చన్ అమ్మా? ఏమీ లేదు, సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అడగాను.
Statistical.
Acha, your internet is not all right, na? Is it some problem, Dhanalakshmi? Internet is not
Yes,
all
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Acha, ठीक है.
Statistical methods, Fortran, real analysis.
Very good, very good. No problem. So please tell me, what is Ramanujan number? Dhanalakshmi.
0, sir.
0? No. Nobody has told me so. Google uncle is not telling like that. Anybody else knows what is Ramanujan number?
Sir, it's 1729.
Correct. 1729 is the number. It is because 12 cube plus 1 cube is equal to 1729. 9 cube plus 10 cube is also equal to 1729. Correct? So it seems there is some definition about it. You mathematics people will know about it. Nice. Now, Dhanalakshmi, you are from Andhra Pradesh. How many branches of Karnataka Bank are there in Andhra Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
How many branches are there in Andhra Pradesh?
I don't know, sir.
How many total number of branches are there in our country, Karnataka Bank? Hello? What? Why are you struggling? Dhanalakshmi, you don't remember, or your internet is troubling you? Dhanalakshmi, where are you? I think internet problem for her. I think Krishna can tell me how many branches are there?
Sir, 879 branches.
Very good. So
22 states and 2 union territories.
Yeah, Krishna will answer questions that are not put to her.
Only the first time. Tomorrow onwards, I will improve.
Yeah, very good. Thank you. Then who would like to answer next? Please raise your hand. Anybody else? Next, please raise your hand. Yeah, Laya. Good. Laya, you are from which state?
Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Very good. Which part of Andhra Pradesh?
From Annamaya district, sir.
Annamaya. Oh, Annamaya district means
it is newly formed.
Newly formed. It has been formed
sir.
out of which district?
From Chittoor, sir.
Excellent. Tell me about Madanapalli. What is Madanapalli?
Sir, it is the largest town in Annamaya district. And it has the largest tomato market in India and also in Asia also. And near Madanapalli, we have a station, Hartsley Hills. It is also known as Andhra OT.
1 minute. 1 minute. Hello. சொல்லுடா, ஆன்லைன்ல இருக்கேன், சொல்லு.
Deposit DA
Seri, seri. Okay, da. No problem. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I will give you full marks for this question because I actually wanted to ask about Horsley Hills only, and that name I forgot. And
Okay, sir.
Horsley Hills, I was there way back in 1980 or so for conducting a training program on the hill. We were conducting programs for scale 4, not scale 4, normal managers in Horsley Hills. Nice place. It's a nice place. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. And now, what are the crops grown in your district?
Sir, mainly tomato, sir. And we also grow a paddy, maize,
Good.
sometimes brinjal also. Sir.
What is Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi scheme?
Sir, it is the scheme which is mainly given for the farmers. Under this scheme, a total amount of 6,000 will be given to the farmers as a financial assistance during their crops, for their crops. And it is given in 4 installments.
3 installments.
Okay, 3 installments. Sorry, sir. 3 installments, once in 4 months.
Good.
And,
Laya, what did you study?
sir, I completed my BCA graduations.
BCA graduation, Bachelor
Yes,
of Computer Applications.
Yes,
What
sir.
are the languages with which you are familiar? Computer languages.
Sir, C, C++, Java. That's it.
Now, recently, some language known as Python is coming. What for
Yes, sir.
Python is made use of?
Sir, it is used in web development, designing of games, like that, sir.
Very good.
I haven't learned Python, sir, because we are not learned about that, sir.
I know. It's not taught in colleges. I think it is taught only online. Nowadays, people are coaching online also.
Yes, sir.
My grandson, who is in 8th class only, is also learning it. Yeah, he is only in 8th class. They are learning this. Correct. Now, the last question for you. Please tell me what is artificial intelligence?
Sir, it is a 5th generation language, and it is all based on the development of bots, and it is used in the neural intelligence.
Not bad.
And
Not bad. Good. Not bad. Okay, you managed the questions nicely. Very good. Next person, please raise your hand. Another 5 minutes, 10
thank
minutes.
you, sir.
Yeah, very good. And another person, please. Anybody else? Please raise your hand. Raise your hand. Otherwise, how can I ask question? And why so much hesitation? Girish, Asmat, Manjunath. Manjunath is raising hand. Good, Manjunath. Manjunath, I think your name is familiar. Were you with us for our Federal Bank also? No.
No, sir.
No. You are from which place?
Sir, I am from Karnataka.
Karnataka. This is not the answer. Can you please tell me? Will you tell me that I am from world? I am from India. Is that the answer? Manjunath, you should tell I am from so and so place in this district. Tell me correctly.
Sir, I am from Banatti in Bagalkot district of Karnataka.
Very good. Even if you tell that, I won't follow. That is different. But then you should tell it fully because the interviewing people will know the names of places and all that. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Manjunath, what is your degree?
Sir, I am BCom graduate.
Oh, great. BCom graduate. Huh?
Yes.
Excellent. What is just yes, coming. Last question for you. Please tell me
Yes,
what
sir.
is goodwill? What is goodwill?
Sir, goodwill is a name and fame of a company, which is a non-tangible asset.
Hmm.
But I know that.
Goodwill is an intangible asset,
Yes.
and it is an valuation paid over and above the real valuation of the company. For example, if we buy a company for 500 lakhs, the cost of material, etc., is only 400 lakhs. 100 lakhs is the goodwill. Could you follow?
Yes.
Very
Yes, sir.
good. Thank you, friends. I will close this now because I have to go for lunch. We
Sir,
will be, yeah.
I have one doubt.
No, why don't you message me, please? No problem. I will come after lunch. I will see the WhatsApp
No
messages and reply all your messages. Don't worry.
problem.
Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Because
sir.
it is daytime for me. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye-bye.